Passion fruit, or as we call it in South Africa, grandilla. Um, let's these these guys. I think I've had these before in my childhood, as I mentioned in the previous video. But these guys are like a little bit smaller, and I don't know if they maybe they've gone bad or something, but they kind of like it kind of feels hard. And like it's sort of like it doesn't feel very fleshy inside. It sort of feels like it wants to crack. So I wonder if they've gone kind of bad. Let's take a look. What I'm expecting to see inside is purple outside, yellow, seedy inside, very juicy. I have no idea. Whoops, that's my thumb. I have no idea what happens when these guys go bad. So we might find out together in just a second. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is... Fuck. This is very difficult to do one-handed. I wonder if there's a way I can set up my camera. Fuck it, here we go. Oh god, this is not the way you do this. Okay, hold on, let me... I need a setup here. I have no idea if you guys can see this. I'm leaning you against the emergency in my kitchen. Oh my god. It's green. Look at that. It smells amazing. It smells really good. Man, that is such a good smell. Wow. So the reason why it felt so like, stiff and like it wanted to crack, I guess, is because the fruit it's not really super dense inside. So there's quite a bit of air space in here. It's kind of like it was wrapped by a human, I'm going to get a spoon. Just scoop this out. Ugh, it's quite gushy. Okay, here we go. Smells good. Am I still recording? Still recording, yeah. Smells good. And that is just delicious. Just so good. Yeah, that's exactly how I remember grandilla. So I guess that's a cool fact for me to learn that that's what it's called here. We had these growing outside my grandfather's house in South Africa. Still recording, okay. We had them growing outside the house. There was a hedge that had... as a kid, I just thought it was a normal hedge, but it actually had them growing, and so one summer we just picked them off the hedge and cut them open and ate them. Really good memories. I think we did that a few more times. At some point, the hedge stopped growing them, so the hedge is still there, and my family still lives in the house. But yeah, I haven't had grandilla sort of like fresh in a long time. So let's put this back. I wanna have just a little bit more of this. Really need to get a setup going. So let's take another look. So it's pretty seedy inside. Oh, interesting. And when you take the seeds out, it's got a very strange texture. I'll show you in just a sec. Man, loving this. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Check this out. It's kind of these spines inside that the seeds were attached to, I suppose. Man, such a cool fruit. Such a cool fruit. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. And then in the next one, we're going to take a look at, what is this, the dragon fruit? Yes, the yellow dragon fruit. My pineapple too. Does anyone even know, like, how do you tell if a pineapple is overripe? Because I've had this thing for like 5 days and it's now turning purple, which is bizarre. Oh shit, look at this. On this side it's very distinct. So I'm starting to think that I need to eat this freaking pineapple before it... What does a pineapple do when it rots? Does it just get more sweet inside or something? I don't know. Maybe I'll find out, but I really don't want to. I'm going to eat like a fresh pineapple. Maybe I should open that thing tonight. Anyways, grenadilla, or passion fruit. Delicious. Get yourself some.